The future of LiL Yachty in NIike. That's a good conversation we're going to talk about. You guys already saw that I did the review on his first collaboration that I personally think it's amazing. Yes, I know you guys are probably saying right now, but what's so amazing? Here goes Primo again. I'm going to get into the depth of it, of why is it to me that this is amazing. You guys don't understand how much and how you guys might think it's weird, it's creepy. When my love for sneakers, guys, it's a little beyond just seeing a shoe for its looks. I like history. I love what it represents. I love quality. I love details. I love everything that has to do with shoes. It's very hard, very, very hard. To this day, I did a video talking really bad about the Adidas AE1. It's the only video, if you look at all of them, you look at all my videos, you guys have been following me for a while, that, believe it or not, I kind of regret. Because to me, I see a beauty in every single sneaker. Every single one of them, literally. I mean, not every single one of them. Let me specify over here, because there's some bro, I look at it and it's like, Jesus Christ. But still, I'll see the art form of it or something. But let's just say you're talking about, I don't know, I really can't even specify, because I'm a person that have too much conscience when it comes to these things. Let's say I'm going to go and I'm going to bash Walmart shoes. And I'll be like, bro, come on, bro, and ones or something like that. I always see the good aspect of it. I always see that there's a person that might not have the means to buy something like this. We're blessed to have something like this, guys. And I'll get to the shoes now. And you know what? I'm just speaking because if you guys keep telling me and you guys keep saying, Primo, you have to speak about these things, like I'm getting a lot of emails about it. You're an influencer. You should give more your opinion about certain things and topics and matters of what's going on in the community. Then you're going to get it. And it is what it is. I don't want to just be Mr. Sneaker Reviewer and just give you news all day, the same news constantly. No, I want to make a real difference of people that want to rescue this. That's truly what I want. And people that want good for others. That's the way it is. That wants to bring a smile to people. So like I was saying about the Walmart shoes, let me put these back. I see the aspect of it of, well, maybe somebody out there could get those shoes and it makes them happy. So I cannot bash it. I cannot bash cheap shoes. I cannot bash any sneaker. Like I said with the Adidas AE1. I like Anthony Edwards as a basketball player. I love the sneaker. I love the way it looked. And just because I had a bad experience with it, I bashed it. I called it garbage. I said, and that's the thing with sometimes you got to retract in life and say to yourself, damn, man, I should have not done that. You understand? I should have not done that because I was just angry at the moment. I said what I shouldn't have said. The sneaker is a great sneaker. It's just that I was technically wearing it incorrectly, all loose and everything. And just because it has a flaw, it's not for you to bash it. It's not the way things work, guys. I understand that everybody has their opinion about things, once again. But it's hard for me to see a flaw in sneakers. So when it comes to these shoes right here, before I get off, what do I think of Yachty's future and what I hope it is? What I see about this future is that people have forgotten about Rockefeller, the Rockefeller Air Forces, all white with the Rockefeller logo. Everybody has forgotten about the terror squads. Everybody's, oh man, all those shoes are so hype and everybody loved them so much. And here comes Yachty, does this collaboration that I think, honestly, if I'm now going to give my opinion about it, I think it's better detailed. It's nicer. The quality's on point on these shoes. You guys got to get them in hand so you guys can feel them out. Yeah, and not in a weird way. But, especially the way I'm talking about it. But, you know, the hang tag, it's us. The old school Air Force logo. Like I said, the LiL Yachty inside right there, the little tag, the leather tag in the top. It's us, Concrete Boys in the back. Perfectly sewn Concrete Boy logo right there. Very nice. I think the shoe is beautiful. And what is the most important part about it is history. This is history, guys. That's why I love this shoe. It's like I said in my when I reviewed them. I'm not a fan of Yachty. I'm not. I could technically say that I truly wish him the best now because I like the collaboration. And if you're in Nike, I think you're doing something correctly in this world. So I'm not a person, guys, that I bash or I hate. I'm not a hater, man. I think it's pretty badass that somebody got their own collaboration. I could be part of this history, that I could be in this world to actually hold these shoes the same way as somebody back in the days probably got the Terror Squads or got the Rockefeller or even the dunks, the high dunk Wu-Tangs. You know, that it was just a logo, black and yellow, bro. Oh my God, that meant so much. People are losing that. And what do? They bash it. They hate on it. They criticize Yachty for it. So this is what I think about it. And if Yachty would ever see this video, once again, I don't know this in this world. You never know who watches your video. But if there is something that I could tell him is congratulations. Great job. It's great. I'm speaking from the heart right now. You know, I'm a little too old. You know, I'm not an old man. I'm 39 years old. But, you know, I'm a little too old to be playing little games like the young bucks do or anything like that. And it's just congratulations on it. You did great. I wish you much success in the future. I really do. I really do, guys. You know, he's from the South. That's why I'm repping my A today. You know what I'm saying? I go to Georgia a lot, and I have much love from Georgia. Much love from Georgia, and I have much love from Georgia. It's just, that's a success, guys. You could be part of that history. You could be what it is to have a sneaker and say, yo, you remember these when these came out, bro? This right here. You could be saying this 10, 15 years from now and be like, bro, this is a collaboration with Yachty. Because that's what I'm going to touch on now. What will be his future? And what do I think is going to happen? And I will tell you about this in the sense as I think about Travis Scott, the collaboration with Travis. I see a collaboration with like Nigel Sylvester. We're talking NIike here. There's a lot of great people doing collaborations out there. J Tips is doing collaborations with Saucony, and John does a lot of collaborations with ASICS and all that, and what Keith also. Great collaborations out there, guys. There's great collaboration. I know I'm missing a bunch, but if there is one thing that I personally think is gonna happen with LiL Yachty, I think the bashing was so bad, and I hope this doesn't happen. I really don't. But the bashing was so much already on his first shoe that I think that I don't know if Nike will give him another opportunity. That I personally think that if they don't, that's really wrong. That's fucked up. You know, because true sneaker enthusiasts, and I know a lot of you guys are, appreciate this. They appreciate the history. Once again, the history of it. So that is one thing that I personally think it's not like Travis. I know everybody pulls it for themselves and they think they're the best at everything. But whether you like it or not, his name is the Travis Scott name. Notice how they pump out Travis Scotts and Travis Scotts and Travis Scotts and Travis Scotts. And you could say anything you want negative about Travis. You could say whatever. I've heard it all. There's a guy who commented once on one of my things and said that Travis Scott was a robot. and that he came straight from the pits of hell, and all whatever the hell you want to get your mind into. And I actually it's kind of crazy things that people say, but hey, whatever, hey, to each his own. Whatever it is, the name of LiL Yachty is not the same as Travis. So they're gonna see the first pair and see what are the results of it. That obviously it's not the same result as Travis Scott's first collaboration, and I personally think they're gonna put a little bit of brakes on it. Now I'm gonna tell you what I wish really happened. What I truly wish had happened is that they gave Yachty more opportunities to come up with different type of sneakers. Don't do the Jordans. Don't do the same thing. No, do something different. You know, do I don't know, bring out a Darwin. You know, bring out the Darwin, or bring in 90s shoes back. You know, collaboration with LiL Yachty, more crazy hyper colors. That's what I personally wish it happened. It give him more of the opportunity to build something dope, to really sink into the history of sneakers, because he is a big time sneaker enthusiast. I don't use sneakerhead word. That word is played the hell out. Sneakerhead my ass. The sneakerheads, like I said, anybody can become a sneakerhead. There's a lot of frauds out there. No, a true sneaker enthusiast, he really likes that. He loves that. You can tell. I've seen him. Like I said, I'm not a fan of his music. I don't know his music. Odds are I probably won't even listen to his music. I'm not gonna lie to you over here. I listen to 90s hip hop, 80s hip hop. That's what I do. That's my thing. And some of 2000s. But the reality is that Yachty could make it really big and could give a real big impact when it comes to the sneaker community. And that's what I truly hope for. So guys, if you might not like Yachty and might disagree with everything I'm saying, once again, I don't know this man personally. Maybe he's treated fans incorrectly, or maybe he's the nicest guy in the world. I don't know this. I understand the whole situation with Bima and him, the way he spoke to Bima. But you gotta also remember something. Look how Bima spoke about him. So if they give you a collaboration, that's your first collaboration with sneakers. I said this in the last review too, but now I'm getting into a little bit more details. If they give you a collaboration, bro, it could be a booger. It could be a piece of turd that you put on, literally a piece of turd. And you're gonna defend yourself, man. Because that's something that's pretty amazing. That you actually got a collaboration with NIike, the king, whether you like it or not. They're the king of the sneaker world. So, what is the reaction of a oh no, that's your opinion. Yeah, that's your opinion. That's perfectly fine. Fuck that shit, dude. You start talking shit to me the way he said, oh, but I think it's this and that thing it's whack and that thing is lame or whatever. I don't see the big deal out of it. This, disgracing it, like putting it down, like it means nothing. No, man, you're gonna defend yourself. People are human, bro. I said it even with the Adidas. You might regret it afterwards. I know they squashed their beef, supposedly, but they squashed their beef. But at that moment, you're gonna get heated. Like I said with the Adidas. And odds are you're never gonna find, I might say, the materials ain't that great. But for me to have another shoe and for me to say this is the biggest piece of garbage, bro, I'm telling you, that thing I will have to wear it the first time, unstuck it, and it snaps and literally breaks off the hinges off that thing or something, you know what I mean? All the stitching falls off, and then I'll say, yo, this is a piece of crap. I love the shoe because obviously I bought it, but it's a piece of crap. So guys, what do I think? Once again, to conclude, what do I think about Yachty's future in NIike? I don't know if they'll give him another opportunity. I don't know if they would. What do I hope? I wish they did. Because this, I am extremely, extremely satisfied with this collaboration. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. What can I say? I love it. So that's pretty much it, guys. I wish you all the best, and I love you all. Peace. Whoosh.